Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring root or sudo access and a live network. This avoids permission and DNS delays. Once done, place your ofpin file in /etc/openfpin or your home directory so paths are simple. Next, install OpenVPN with sudo apt update and sudo apt install openfpiny. This gives you the command line client. Make sure credentials are nearby, and if your provider uses 2FA, have that code ready. Otherwise, authentication will fail, and you'll waste time guessing. You run sudo openfpin config /path/to/file. Ofpin and provide username and password when prompted. Short command, immediate result. Once connected, make sure to check IP-eder and IP route to see the /0 interface and new default gateway. This is how traffic is routed. Then, run curl ifconfig. Me or visit appinfo. EO to confirm your public IP changed. That proves the VPN is active. If DNS leaks matter, check resolve, conf and use a DNS leak test to be certain. You finish by gracefully stopping the client with Ctrl+C or sudo kill PID, which removes /0 and restores routes. Make sure routes are back to expected values. Once satisfied, enable persistence via systemd or import the ofpin into Network Manager for automatic reconnection. If something fails, check logs immediately. Use journoctl openfpin or rerun openfpin with verb5 to inspect TLS, auth, and routing errors. This single troubleshooting tip, read the logs, will usually reveal the cause and the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.